I have said with a lot of clarity and without water in my mouth that our children will come to school on Monday. We intend to have challenges of social distancing. That shall not stop us from opening schools. There is no country in the world where new classrooms have been built because of the COVID-19 pandemic. I want to plead with our gallant teachers to ensure that they become innovative. For example, in this school, you can see in between the trees, if the weather is as good as it is now, nothing stops the head teacher, who is an excellent teacher, from having classes outside there, in addition to others being inside the room. Let us be innovative and let us stop criticizing without solution.